Hi everyone, I have a Christmas gift for you. It's a short video on how to paint a last minute Christmas card using watercolour pens and with the help of kittens. I hope you enjoy it. You'll need a selection of rainbow colours watercolour pens and some darker colours for the sky and for the writing, and a paintbrush and a kitten. I'm just using water and a brush to drag the colours down, and if the colours have dried out a bit, because these pens seem to dry out quite quickly, then just add a little bit more colour. Now I'm working on a little bit of sky. Just add whatever colour you want really. I think I've used a kind of mauve or purple, some blue, and then added at the top some Payne's grey to make it really dark at the top, because when we add snow later on we want it to show up. And of course water. You could put the water on first, or you could put the pens on and then add the water. I think it's easier if you add the water to start with and then put the pen on. I'm touching up the trees here with a little bit of black, not too much, just seems to define them. You don't have to do this, but I thought I would like it. I think it helps. Now I'm going to write a word on. I'm using the same sort of pens. I'm using a dark blue. I thought I'd write the word hope. I think it's quite appropriate for the moment, something we can all do with right now, but obviously you can write whatever word you want on. Now I'm going to add some snow. I'm using white gouache with a little tiny bit of water and just flicking it on with a toothbrush. Hold the picture up so that the paint doesn't suddenly blob right in the middle of your painting. Underneath it, I've put double-sided tape. Pull the covering off, the protective coating off the double-sided tape. It's a bit fiddly, but it's not too difficult really. And then take a piece of card that you've folded and put it firmly onto the card. And there you go. I hope you've all enjoyed this short tutorial, and if you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share. And I hope you all have a really happy Christmas. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.